Well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome. Bring that cool stuff to you, and we're bringing some pretty cool stuff to you today. Got my little excavator warm up here. It won't take long. It's 90 degrees outside. It's about 3 o'clock here. Had a doctor's appointment, get some blood work done, annual or semi-annual checkup, and had to go grocery shopping for the wife at Aldi's. But it was cool in the store. All right. Got this 42-inch Bushmaster. It's got bush hog blades on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. 2 bush hog blades on it. And I just got it going yesterday. I bought this. This is 2024 here, August. Oh, August what? 6, 7, 8. But yeah, I bought this in August of 2022 at Leslie Equipment. They were a dealer. $7,600. But I used to mow everything with a weed whacker, and I got a lot of banks to do. I'll show you up here by the pond too. A couple years ago I did everything with a weed whacker, and my goodness gracious, what that took a long time. So all right, I hope you enjoyed today's show. We're gonna do some serious bush hogging. Good, you can cut straight up and overhead or whatever with it. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I believe these are made in South Carolina. Bushmaster. This is a small one. I've got a bigger one. It's a 48-inch for my bigger excavator, but the bigger excavator is not here, and that one I used quite a bit extensively in the past. Had it out on the railroad, the bigger one for the bigger excavator, and one day I was up here mowing and it just locked up and I never got to. But anyway, I bought this in August 2022, and I had to wait almost 6 months for it to come because they couldn't find parts for them motors. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed today's show. Okay. All right. We're up here at the second pond. Our trash pond's right down below. You can't see it, but you will see it here soon. But this is the project today. We're going to get all of this mowed and down there around the big pond. We're going to get all that because we're supposed to get a lot of rain tonight. And if you guys are got Hurricane Debbie, I feel sorry for you. But we're supposed to get some rain here tonight. But I want to get that around the pond all done today because it's going to get soft if we get a lot of rain tonight. So, and the rest of it. Be real careful, I don't hit them hoses. Pretty cool stuff, huh? I'm going to get down below there and get the rest of that bank. Get around that little pond up there. So I want to get this done before it rains. I don't want to get down there when the ground's wet. them is when you're running this much hydraulics, it doesn't want to swing real good if you're out very far and cutting at the same time. So if you want to swing pretty good, then you got to pretty much pull your, either not cut or pull your dipper in, or your boom in, or both. That part out there is the dipper. This part here is the boom. Pull uphill. There we go. Pretty impressive, huh? Does a pretty good job for a small machine. One thing about it, you could never get this bank like this if you know, you didn't have something like this. Can't get a tractor on that. Way too steep for a tractor. It chops them little trees up pretty good. All right. Ha-ha! Okay, there you have it. Couple hours. Well, yeah. And that clump of trees is staying there. Got all this done down here. I'm not going to do that part. That's pretty rough through there. I got some landscaping to do there. Get a little bit soft down in there, but not bad. Take you down and show you around the pond here. Okay? All right. I'll be right back. All righty. I can't get any higher up on that bank. It's just too steep. Anyway. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Got that bank over there, part of that down there, and down by the pond. So there you have it. All right. There's a drain pipe under here. So we got a crossing here. Now I got another crossing right down there. Eventually, one of these days, I'm going to put drain pipe all of this, but that's a big retirement project. All right, thank you very much for tuning in and watching. Hope you enjoyed today's show. I know it got a little long, but that was a lot of fun. You don't very often get to see that. Okay, have a really good day. We do appreciate you guys.